2009 Silverado with a Flowmaster Super 50 true dual exhaust. Built using aluminized tubing, but stainless steel is also available. Interior tone level is mild to moderate with this Flowmaster Super 50 true dual exhaust. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. Pick your sound and your tips before you buy at Rich's. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, Air Raid, and K&N. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.